the question that I get from many people who want to do a good storytelling. And the issue there is, as you said, that people have to pass information also in the speeches, right? And when your speech has a lot of fact telling, so you have to pass on a lot of information. In such a speech, how do you introduce stories?
Well, you know, to me, it's more like this. It's like, you know, you don't really have a choice. What I mean is this. Let's say you feel like there's 15 facts you have to get through and it leaves you no time for telling stories. Well, then you'll do a lecture and you'll share your 15 facts, and some people might take some notes. But at the end of the day, they won't remember a damn thing. They just won't. They might remember the first one, the second one, and the last one, but they won't remember anything else. Instead, you might take a look and go, you know what? I'm going to just make it 5 facts, but then I'm going to use stories to make sure they remember them. And so I'm saying to you that anybody, like I went to this talk in, I want to say it was in Bali, and I was in Bali, and this guy got on stage. He's quite a famous speaker. And he was talking about like biohacking and this kind of stuff. And he got on the stage and he had 26 ways to improve your energy and get healthier. And he had 26 slides, and slide went up and he read it off. Slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, slide 5, slide 6. No. Nobody remembers a damn thing. People are looking at their phone. They're looking at Instagram. They're looking at Facebook. They're not listening to him because there's no emotional engagement and their brains are getting tired. And so he would be better off to pick the first 3 and then really lock it in. Like one of the things you can do to really boost your existence, to boost your life, boost your blood circulation, is do ice baths. I got to tell you, the first time I did an ice bath, oh my God, because you see, for me, it wasn't a choice. I was in a canoe and I was on a lake that only had ice on it just a few weeks before, and the canoe dumped over. That was my first ice bath. Let me tell you, your heart feels like it stops. You can't breathe. It's so, but you know what's amazing? When you get out and you feel the blood rushing back out, you start realizing the boost it's giving your circulation. So I recommend ice baths. You're going to remember that.
Yes, of course.
So we got to use stories to anchor things in. We got to make sure that if you want the audience to feel, you have to feel.